In Module 3, Tools You Can Use, we start to pull up our sleeves. In this module, we're getting hands-on with the tools that can help you find the right keywords for your hotel. Whether you prefer free tools or are ready to invest in premium ones, there's a solution for every budget and skill level. We start with the basics, free tools that provide valuable keyword insights without costing you a cent. The Google Keyword Planner, your go-to starting point. Google Keyword Planner is one of the most popular and widely used tools for keyword research. It's free to use and gives you search volume, competition level, and even keyword suggestions based on your input. For hotels, it's great for uncovering high-traffic keywords related to your location or amenities. The biggest advantage is the reliable data directly from Google. You can't go wrong with that data source. It's intuitive, easy to use with helpful filters, and ideal for beginners and broad keyword research. However, you need an active Google Ads account with a certain budget to get granular search volume data. Otherwise, data can be generalized and grouped into search volume ranges. Ubersuggest, a comprehensive and budget-friendly tool. Ubersuggest is versatile, offering keyword suggestions, search volume, competition analysis, and more. It's free for basic use, but also has affordable paid plans with additional features. For hoteliers, it's a good option for getting detailed keyword insights without breaking the bank. The free version should be sufficient to start or for small keyword sets. Pros include decent data in the free version, competitive analysis features, and content ideas. However, there's limited functionality on the free plan, and data may sometimes be less accurate than premium tools. Answer the Public. Discover the questions your guests are asking. Answer the Public is a unique tool that shows you what real people are asking in relation to your keywords. It's perfect for generating content ideas based on the question and topics your potential guests care about, rather than getting data on search volumes. For example, if you enter beachfront hotel, it might suggest questions like, what's the best beachfront hotel in Spain? It is great for finding long-tail keyword opportunities, excellent for content creation ideas, and understanding user intent with a visual and intuitive interface. The downside is limited daily searches on the free plan, and the data can be overwhelming without clear organization. Google Trends, spot seasonal and trending keywords. Google Trends is a powerful tool for tracking keyword popularity over time. It's especially useful for hoteliers because it helps identify seasonal trends, like when people start searching for winter ski resort or beach vacation deals. You can also compare multiple keywords to see which one is gaining more traction. Adjust the timeline, search location, compare by subregions, and get related queries. Pros include understanding regional interests and search behavior. Excellent for tracking seasonal trends and being free and easy to use. The cons? It's more focused on trends than actionable insights, with limited in-depth keyword data, without search volume or competition analysis. If that's the free options, what can paid tools do for you? Premium tools. SEMrush and Ahrefs, the powerhouse of SEO. If you're serious about SEO and ready to invest, premium tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs are top-tier options. These tools offer a comprehensive range of features from keyword research and competitor analysis to content optimization and backlink tracking. They provide in-depth keyword data, including competition, search volume, intent, and keyword difficulty. Plus, they have advanced features from tracking rankings, analyzing competitors, and optimizing content. Their data is reliable and their reporting tools are robust. However, for small businesses or individual hotels, these tools can be costly and have a steeper learning curve for beginners. Here's a quick comparison. Google Keyword Planner is reliable and straightforward but lacks specificity. Answer the Public is fantastic for content ideas, while Ubersuggest offers solid insights at a lower cost. Google Trends is perfect for tracking seasonality, and if you need the full package with advanced data, SEMrush and Ahrefs are the way to go. No matter which tool you choose, the key is to use them strategically. Combine insights from different tools to get a well-rounded view of your keyword landscape. In the next module, we'll explore how to use these tools to uncover high-value, low-competition keywords that drive bookings. Let's get to it.